Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited. We finally reached the 5th week out of 6. Christmas coming around the corner. Everybody gets a little bit of breather. It's going to be a lot of fun. Really excited for everybody. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Figured we talk about. So last week we finished technical responses and how systems and visuals are built to understand those technical situations. This week we're going to focus on emotional communication and how persuasive communication ties into emotions and how emotions are triggered. And we're also going to take a look at like social media, a couple other different elements, and how to go from that. So this week we're going to really understand persuasion and emotion, and really overall goal is to understand and convince or deter someone or some group to a certain choice. And that means that people use persuasive techniques in a lot of different things and a lot of different aspects. And pretty much anybody uses it. Politicians, businesses, doctors, lawyers, teachers, your friends, anybody that wants to convince somebody that this is the right thing to do. That's really what it is all about. Now, a couple things we're going to cover this week. We're going to cover persuasive and emotional communication concepts. So it's the fourth aspect. Next week, we're going to talk about ethical, and ethical is one of my favorite weeks. I really like talking about ethical. But emotion's a really good one. This is a really good discussion lecture. So if you want to come in, just have a lot of good talks. It's a really great discussion lecture. I really love this lecture. It's a fun one to talk about. So we're going to talk about persuasive communication as a whole, emotional triggers, what triggers these emotions, social media and how they persuade people, and visual techniques. And that's what we're going to focus on this week. Other than that, that's all I got. Keep in mind, Tuesday you have your initial discussion post. Saturday you have your reply post. Sunday you also have your written assignment and also your live lecture assignment. Other than that, we have lecture on Tuesday as normal, 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, I'm really excited to have y'all here. Welcome to week 5. We're almost toward the end, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for being awesome. Contact if you need me. I'll have the grades through by Thursday as my guess as always, and that's pretty much it. All right, everybody, enjoy. Be safe, have fun, take it easy. Have a great week. Bye-bye.